A rather short video this week as I'm still recovering from the flu and I should be in bed. But I wouldn't want to deprive you of 3 very easy and fun tips to get you inspired when you're writing a song on a piano. Coming up. So you're struggling to come up with something original today and you need a spark of some kind. Try these tricks. Number 1, cats. I've often been inspired by random notes. Now here's a fun way to give you some real random notes. As I'll show you in a later video, I actually got inspired this way. Just listen if any of these random notes spark inspiration. Number 2, prepared piano. If you got an acoustic piano, try preparing it. And with preparing I mean alter the sound. You could try putting some gaffer tape on the strings. Or you could go and palm mute the strings, just like when you're playing a guitar. Don't forget, the piano is a percussion instrument. And to have some control over the impact is really great. Obviously, preparing your piano won't work when you're playing a digital piano, in which case you can fiddle with the sounds even more easily. Just load up new ones, edit them directly, or add a delay or another effect. And number 3, learn a new chord. Like, for instance, this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm gonna go back to bed and you go make some music.